Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail that super easy and SEO friendly using AI. And you don't need Photoshops or any design skills at all. Just a few smart tools that are completely free. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your YouTube video. You can open it to your YouTube studio or YouTube account. And then just copy the link of the video that you want to create a thumbnail for, like this. And then open your browser and search for download YouTube subtitle, and then in here we will use this to extract the subtitles or script from your video, because that's what helps the AI understand your video content and create an SEO friendly thumbnail. Choose one of the subtitle downloader websites that appear. For example, I will choose this one. And then just paste your YouTube link in there. And then just tap on get subtitles. And then just tap on download txt. And when it's done downloading, just open the files. Just tap on open, this one, like this. And then just copy the script text. And then next, just open your ChatGPT, paste it, and then just type this request, like create a prompt to generate a YouTube thumbnail on Nano Banana, for example, like this. And then if you wanna generate the thumbnail on Canva, so just change the Nano Banana with Canva. Or if you wanna generate the thumbnail on maybe in Kling AI or Midjourney or another tools, just change the tools with your own tools. And after that, just hit generate. And then as you can see, ChatGPT will give you a detailed thumbnail prompt that's optimized based on your video content. This step will make sure your thumbnail matches your title and topic, which is super important for SEO and clicks. Once you get your prompt, just copy it. And then just open your browser again and search for Google AI Studio, like this. And then just tap on the website links. Tap on get started. And then tap on try Nano Banana. And then paste your prompt in the prompts box, like this. And after that, just go to settings. And on the aspect ratio, just change it to 16:9 for the aspect ratio for YouTube thumbnail. And after that, just tap on generate. And okay, like this, your AI thumbnail is ready. You can download it and upload it directly to your YouTube video. And okay, that's it. That's how you can make a professional SEO friendly YouTube thumbnail in just a few minutes. It's totally free and powered by AI. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.